everybody. It's a beautiful morning in Florida. We can see here the steps that get you to the spa area, the hot tub. We have this interesting detail at the 45-degree angle. The piece itself is 90 degrees. You see it's square, but it's positioned at 45 degrees. So it makes an interesting look to the area. These couple benches, this one at the left side and this one, create a great destination for people to hang out, sitting if they don't want to get wet, while others are in the hot tub. See, there's plenty of room for everybody in and out. As you can see, the hot tub is at ground level, but because of these 3 steps, once you are up on the deck, it's very easy to get into the hot tub. So you don't actually need steps to get in. That's an interesting solution. Now let me show you a surprise I have for you. See, this at the right side, we have this little bar attached to the area, so you can see the hot tub is enclosed. So if you have small children, they are safe, because the only way in and out is the entrance where we were standing at the beginning. And then at this side we have room for more people sitting here. You can easily sit here, 4 people with the drinks. I don't have the furniture out now because it's so wet. And then we have the back area with plenty of room for the cover of the hot tub. So that's a solution I found for it. It uses a small area, and yet it creates a great place for your family and friends to hang out on a sunny day. Have a good one. I was also able to do this little area for the chemicals at the bottom of this bench. So it's beautiful and practical because I'm actually using it. And back here you can see the other side. We have plenty of room for the cover, and also we have this little guy here, a grape growing against the fence, having fun right there, just like us.